Hello guys, today we're gonna expose the JavaScript problem, alright? And the problem is to find the missing number in array. And we're gonna figure out how it work, how the thing's gonna work, alright? And let's do it without wasting any time. Let's do it, alright? Then first of all, I would like to give the input. Let input is equal to our input is like two, 1 2 3, and then after we will give 5, and the number is missing here. 1 2 3 4 is missing, right? And 5 there, and we are gonna find out the number 4 by uh, through the JavaScript. We're gonna find out the number 4 and how the things work. I'm gonna explore that. Just wait for a while and let's do it. First of all, let's create the function, and let's function name find missing find missing number. I will pass the array. All right, I'll pass the array, and then after let's do it like console dot console.log find missing number, and we're gonna pass argument as input. We will pass input as an argument, and let's do it. And first of all, let's find out the length. All right. Well, we must find the length of an array, and let's give like let n is equal to array dot length minus 1, and what it gonna be like. Uh, the array length is 1 2 3 4, and we're gonna make it like 0 1, but it counted like 0 1 2 3. All right, and let's do it. It will be like 3. I'll show you. Just wait for a while. Array that length is like our input is 1 1 2 3 and 5. All right, it's our input 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 value. It's our input value, and then after I'm gonna make it like the length of an array. Length of an array is 1 1 2 3 and 4. All right, length is length, and these numbers, its initialization is like 0 1 2 3. It will be initialized through 0 1 2 and 3. All right, and it is initialized. All right, and just just look at here. It's our input value 1 2 3 4. It's our length. It's our full length 1 2 3 and 4. It's our full length because here is only the phone number, and it initialize with 0 1 and 2 and 3, and that's why this is called 3, because array that length is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3. That's why this became number 3. All right, and let's do it. Let's go to the another approach. Array dot length, and what we're gonna find the expected expected value. What we're gonna find out is like expected value equals to n. All right, no, we're gonna find out like array. All right, array n. What is the array n? Array ends means the last number of an array. The last number of our array. What is our last number array? 5. Array n is our last number of an array. All right, an array n into like array array n plus 1, array n plus 1. All right, and divided by 2. This is the formula. This is the mathematics formula where you can find like you know if the number is started from 1, it is started from 1. All right, it is started from 1, then it ends whatever it and the number ends, all right? And if you multiply by the number of end plus one of number, like like if there is the ending number is 5, then if you multiply 5 into 6 divided by 2, then it will give you the like total value of all number. You will find out the total value of all number. I'll show you, just wait for a while. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. This is just for example. And then after 5 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. uh, look what we're gonna. This is the two number. We're gonna reverse the first number. We reverse the first number, then 5 plus 1, s- it will become 6. 2 plus 4, it will become 6. 3 plus 3, it will become 6. 4 plus 2, it will become 6. 5 plus 1, it will become 6. Will become 6, right? The second part of the number, this is our first part, first exact number, and the second part is we reverse the number, and it gave us the 6. Each and every value, if you add, there is 6. Then what we're gonna do, the is like 6, and what we will do is like array n is our like final value 5, and 5 into 6, array n plus 1, 5 into 6, because we have used the two rows, huh? Yeah, two row, 1 2 3 4 5, all right, and we do the reverse also. That's why we use the two, all right. We use the two, and it will give us our like total value. Sorry, it will give us the total value. What is the total value? The expected value. It will provide us the expected value, all right, because the number is missed here, right? We have our missed number 1 2 3. We are missing a 4, but we have 5. But it will, what the formula will do is like it will calculate 5 1 to 5, right? 1 to 5. It will like it will automatically, it will exist the 4, and it will present the 4, and it will calculate the whole sum of the whole number. The formula do that thing, all right? And like, let's do it. I will show you like uh, expect value. Let's do it, all right? 5 into right hand plus 1. All right, I think here I did some mistake. And plus 1, sorry, here that was mistake, all right. And all right, we got the number 15. Here you guys can see we got the number 15. And if you add 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, it will give only the 11, all right? The number of our input, it will give the total value 11, but without our in our expected value is number 15. How? Because of this formula, because this formula gave us the whole number sum, total sum, 1 2 3 and 5, and it is providing us the total sum, and that's how we find out the expected value. And another approach is our exact value, all right. Let a our exact exact value. We're gonna add it to reduce accumulator current value. Let's do the thing, and like, right, accumulator value is like like SEC plus current, and accumulator is equal to 0. What we use here is like we use the method of array dot reduce, all right, and this is our accumulator, this is our current value, All right, this is our current value, and accumulator plus current value. This is our zero is known as the accumulator, and zero plus current value. It will exactly give us the sum of the total, sum of total, sum of total exact input, the exact number of input. And let's see, we're on console.log. All right, sorry, we're on console.log like uh, exact value. We're on console.log exact value, and let's do it. 11. What did it give is like 11. And how we gonna find out the whole missing number is like there's very simple approach, all right? And then after at last, we are gonna like, return the value of the value expected expected value, like minus exact value. Uh, right? We're gonna find out the exact value, and all right, let's do it. Just wait for a while. And what did I do? What did I do here is like return expected value minus exact value. This expected value minus exact value, and what will be the right? First of all, what is the missing value? This is our missing value. We find out, guys. We find out the missing value. Our missing value is 4. 1, 2, 3, and there is missing 4. And we actually find out the missing value. In next video, I'm gonna I'm gonna expose the little bit complicated problem. It, it is easier to find the missing number uh, because our input is started, like it is started with 1. That's why it is a little bit easier. But if would be started from the 5, from the 6, then this formula doesn't work on that. All right, because the number is in 1, it is started in 1. That's why we can easily use this formula, and without any, without any complicated code, we solve this. And and all right, in next video, in upcoming video, I'm gonna crystal clear the problem of this. That's why the formula is that we used was very very simple, and simple approach. This is a very simple approach, and you can find any total value in real calculation, also in real world calculation also. If you want to find the total number, then you can easily find if the number is started with 1, and you can find easily the missing number, or you can calculate the total value from 1 to 10, 1 to 100, like 100 into 101, like that way you can find the number. But for today, only this much, guy. All right. And at next video, I'm gonna upgrade myself, and I'm gonna make a little bit clarification of the problem, and we're gonna solve a lot of problem. There will be individually, one by one, we are going to expose the problem. All right, so keep learning. Learning is the best way to build. All right, thank you, guys. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Thank you so much for your time. And all right.